Can you guess these weird sounds? Let's find out.
At first I was like, man, somebody had a bad burrito, but I think I'm listening to like a sprinkler. I have a feeling it's gonna be obvious when I hear it, but I'm not getting it. Sorry guys. It's a mosquito. Really? All right, cool.
Yeah, I don't know. What is that? Is that like someone trying to like light a lighter? Nail clippers?
It sounds like a crying baby, but that's gotta be police sirens, right?
Correct!
Yes! God, I'm so good at this game.
Get What's That Sound, the sound mimicking party game at
Bat19.com